Hi, good morning everyone. I am ML Chaudhary, life coach, motivational speaker. I am incredibly blessed to be where I am in my life today. Friends, today in this video, I am gonna talk to you about the success of self-talk. I want you listen this video till end. Successful people have a positive outlook and a good personality. Analyze yourself. It is God's grace that I am a winner. It is God's grace that I was born to win. It is God's grace that winning is my birthright. It is God's grace that I win because I don't lose hope. It's God's grace that I love everyone. It's God's grace that I have full belief in you. It's God's grace that I have full belief in myself. It's God's grace that I have full belief on people. It's God's grace that I am your good boy. It's God's grace that you love me. It's God's grace that I can do everything. It's God's grace that I have a very good luck. It's God's grace that I can do everything. It's God's grace that I always see success in losses. It's God's grace that I am punctual. It's God's grace that I always give value to time. It's God's grace that I never waste time. It's God's grace that I stick to my promises. It is God's grace that I never back off from my words. It's God's grace that I do everything with love. It's God's grace that I do everything with enjoyment. It's God's grace that I do everything backed up by planning and logic. It is God's grace that I always set priorities and schedule tasks accordingly. It's God's grace that I have control over my feelings and beliefs. It is God's grace that I always try keeping myself engaged in constructive thoughts. It's God's grace that it's God's grace that I am always hopeful in my thoughts. It is God's grace that I always talk about succeeding. It is God's grace that I keep my mind and body relaxed. It is God's grace that I have full faith on my positive thoughts. It is God's grace that I am always connected to positive strength. It is God's grace that I always take decisions based on facts and stick to them. It is God's grace that I fight against everything fearlessly. It is God's grace that I am always successful. It is God's grace that I see the world with a positive vision. It is God's grace that I have a duty to live a life of happiness and success. It is God's grace that I always do the opposite to my negative thoughts and finish negativity. It is God's grace that I have taken control over my negative thoughts. It is God's grace that I have become a good human being. It is God's grace that I have ended my lifestyle of compromise, which has continued through generations in my family. It is God's grace that I do not bring personal issues to my workplace. It is God's grace that I do not get my professional issues home. It is God's grace that I never delay my work. It is God's grace that I do all the necessary work right there and at that moment itself. It is God's grace that I do not cry on the occurrence of any problem but try solving it at the latest. It is God's grace that I stopped being lazy. It is God's grace that I have stopped sleeping for a long period of time. It is God's grace that I have a habit of writing the tasks I am supposed to do the next day on the previous night, and I keep myself open for ideas. It is God's grace that I always thank you for the thoughts given to me. It is God's grace that I also owe a debt to the people who have helped me. It is God's grace that I take full responsibility for my positive and negative decisions. It is God's grace that I stand up even after falling down and start walking towards my goal again. It is God's grace that I always learn from successful people. It is God's grace that the word loss or losing has been erased from my life. It is God's grace that I feel great about myself every day. It is God's grace that I do not stop or do not get tired. It is God's grace that I do not complain and simply accept the situations. It is God's grace that every time, every situation is in my favor. It is God's grace that I stay happy in every situation. It is God's grace that I am contented in every situation. It is God's grace that I am not a very adamant kind of person. It is God's grace that I am flexible. It's God's grace that I can blend well. It is God's grace that I am never jealous of people. It is God's grace that I do not hate people. It is God's grace that I do all the work I fear first. It is God's grace that I do not watch TV. It is God's grace that I do not read newspaper. It is God's grace that I do not read vulgar books and magazines. It is God's grace that I stay in the company of successful and positive people. It's God's grace that I always read positive books. It's God's grace that I always listen to positive things. It is God's grace that I am a hard working person. It is God's grace that I do not get scared of difficult situations. It is God's grace that difficult situations make me even stronger. It is God's grace that I always learn from my mistakes and downfalls. It is God's grace that my main life's motto is to learn from my mistakes and move ahead in life. It is God's grace that I do not break the law. It is God's grace that I believe in myself. It is God's grace that I have a high self-respect. It is God's grace that my point of view is always positive. It is God's grace that I always see positive things in people. Should be avoided and do not let them control your emotions. Nature grows every day. Grow your dreams are the instructions or desire to God. Killing your desire is a sin. For meditation, lots of willpower is required. Always motivate children and adults. You can do it. You will be successful and happy. You can keep assets for your children. By self-talk, empower your submissive willpower. By God's grace, I have full control on my willpower. By God's grace, my willpower forces me to do more work than my capacity. By God's grace, nothing is impossible for me with my willpower. By God's grace, my willpower never allows me to be lazy. By God's grace, I use my willpower to change my life. Thank you very much.